Welcome to our channel. If you want to watch Peacock on your smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to link your Peacock account and start streaming your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and ensure it is connected to the internet. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store on your smart TV, such as the LG Content Store, Samsung Smart Hub, or Roku Channel Store. Step 3. Search for Peacock using the search function in the App Store. Step 4. Select the Peacock app from the search results and click Install or Download to install it on your smart TV. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, open the Peacock app on your smart TV. Step 6. Select Sign In and note the activation code displayed on the TV screen. Step 7. On your computer or smartphone, go to peacocktv.com, activate and enter the activation code shown on your TV. Step 8. Log into your Peacock account to complete the linking process. Your smart TV is now connected to Peacock and you can start streaming content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.